What are we waiting for?
Dada.
Dada, what's he bringing up?
Yeah.
Another present?
Dada.
Oh, you gotta wait over here.
Right here.
Yeah, to see. Okay. Oh. Are you hiding? Do you hear him bringing it up? This one's kind of big. What do you think it is?
Baby Anna.
You think it's baby Anna?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't think she's coming for a few more months.
No.
No? Whoa! Did Dada drop it? What is it?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Is it your birthday present?
Yeah.
What do you think it is?
Yeah.
I don't know. Sounds like Dada's having a hard time getting it up the stairs. Let's see. I think I hear him.
Yeah.
What is it?
Yeah. Yeah.
What is it?
Ba.
Is it a kitchen?
Yeah.
Wow. Is that yours? What does it do? Microwave? Oh.
Are you cooking?
Is it a telephone? What else does it come with?
Yeah.
Open the drawers.
Open door.
Is that the fridge?
Yeah.
Watch this, bud.
Yeah.
Is that how you cook your eggs? Yeah.
What's
And
in
look
here?
down here.
What's in here?
Yeah.
Pull it out. Oh! What's in there?
Yeah.
Is it your very own cooking stuff?
Yeah.
What are you going to make us?
Yeah. Yeah.
What can you make us? Breakfast?
Yeah.
Okay.
The oven.
Wow.
It's hot.
Ha.
Ow!
Ow.
I think there's a cart down there too.
No.